Meet Botron's ESD rubber mat, the ultimate work surface for your ESD-sensitive electronics and components. On top, a highly performant dissipative layer actively safeguards your assemblies from ESD, and its uniquely textured surface provides excellent grip, making precision work feel more like second nature. It's designed to withstand the demands of your work environment and even forgive the occasional mishap. Underneath it all, you'll find a single, solid piece of rubber that provides uniform conductivity, engineered to eliminate variability and provide a consistent, predictable path to ground. With so many colors, you can create the EPA that you want, mix and match for each production line, or stay on brand. It's cut with precision, so it doesn't just sit in your space, it fits into your space. Make your mark, make it yours. Botron's ESD rubber mat is the pinnacle of performance, precision, and protection.